Doesn't work. Okay, so this isn't the best concept that I own, but I did figure out that this thing was actually made in 1978, as it starts with the serial number starts with a 3. So I'm going to put this one out here. The cord was replaced on it because I've come to the point that these concept cords aren't the best cords, because they do tend to get damaged, or well, not damaged, but they dents and stuff and tears in them at times. So, and this one also only has one speed. Only one speed for the motor works on this. So yeah, it's not the best, but it's okay for the time being. For however long I own it, however long I choose, however, until I decide to get rid of it someday. Which, knowing me, I probably won't.